animate these with the hot effects component. Should we add some more stuff in here? So we got this thing, these logos. Let's do this text. Let me see if I can copy it. And should be able to paste here. Good. So this is what it looks like when there's nothing controlling the output. Nothing styling these paragraphs. They go all the way to the edge of the screen. Very not legible at all. Let's wrap this thing. This is going to be a container, and now it has our max width on it. Let's wrap it again, and this is going to be grid. Display grid and grid template columns. Let's see what is this? It's not quite half, is it? Right, half would be like right here, but this is kind of, all right, let's say it's half, which means equal columns. And then we need some space on this thing, so I'm going to do padding, 64 pixels, and then 0 for horizontal padding and 64 pixels for the top padding. And then to make these not go all the way to the edge, I'm going to add a max width 650 pixels, maybe 450 pixels. There we go. Now we have these numbers. Characters published, page views served, lines of code. Makes no sense, but let's at least do the design. So we need another column here and maybe some paragraphs inside of it. So each one of these is going to be wrapped. And this is going to be a row. There we go. Let's get some, let's say justify content space around, and that puts these this space between them. Now these are paragraphs, so they have margin on them, which seems less than ideal. Maybe it doesn't matter. But what we do want is to have consistent styles for each of these three things. So I'm going to give them all a class of like number container. And we can style that class. So to animate these numbers, I have created a web component called counter. This is Hot Effects is our component library on Hotpage, so you get these numbers animating. So how does this work? You copy this script and then we plop it into the head tab, and then we should be able to just turn these into a Hot FX counter. and it is confused by this comma. So if we set that to no comma, then it'll work. So let's do P. This is hot effects counter, and this is a hot effects counter. Now they're animating, and what I want on the top here, this is no longer a P, they're no longer P tags. So this first child thing is not really the right selector anymore. What we want here is hot effects counter. Now they're big pink numbers animating. They also want to be bold. So I'm going to copy this. I can drag this, and if I hold down the Alt key, it will duplicate it. It copies it from here to here, and that's pretty good. So just to show you that they animate, they are animating. And that is looking pretty close.